Let's get started. Hey beauties, it's Lush and Beauty here. I'm going to do a very quick haul. I wanted to show you guys. Actually, once again, I posted it. Someone asked me if I was going to put it on my YouTube channel. I was hesitant because I told you guys people like to thumb your video down if they see you buy something, and I call it hate, but it is okay. So, to my true beauties that been walking with me, I want to show you the purchases, the stuff that I purchased at Hermes and DIOR. I got a lot of other stuff too, but I'm just gonna do little by little because I don't want to look like I'm bragging, because I'm not. Okay? These items were so affordable. Anybody could buy these. Okay? So let's start with the first one. Now, I think the last vlog that I did, I stated to you guys that I was going to buy a bangle. I was eyeing this bangle for a while, and I thought about it. I said, should I get it? Should I not? Should I get it? Should I? It wasn't a lot of money, but I was still trying to see if I should get it because I only buy stuff that I want, not need. That I need, not want. Because I used to shop at an impulse. I stopped doing that. And keep in mind that most of you, disclaimer, even though I always don't buy anything, but I sell stuff on Poshmark or Mercari. So sometimes the money that I get, I buy what I want now. You know what I'm saying? So let's start. So I'm going to show you the first thing that I got, which is the bangle. Okay, actually it wasn't the first thing, but let's go with the bangle. No, sorry. Let's go with the bangle. So I wanted to get this bangle, not the click clock, yeah, not that one because everybody has it. I wore this yesterday for the first time, so that's why it's open. But you see my receipt. From the Hermes store. I went to the one on Madison Avenue. This is the receipt. Okay. Very affordable, guys, like I said. So I got a very skinny wrist. So when I first went to Hermes, was it Hermes? I don't remember. I went to the mall in New Jersey to get this bracelet, this bangle, but my wrist is so small that they had to call the SA in Manhattan, and I was able to get my bangle. I love it. I gotta buy like 4 more because these are buildable. You know what I'm saying? So I bought. Of course, you gotta go with the first color, which is the orange. So this is what it looked like. And like I said, I'm a 62, because the other ones they had were so big. So they had to get the 62 for me, which is the smallest. I have a very skinny wrist. So yeah, this is what it looked like on my wrist. Doesn't come off. The other ones that they tried on me, it was like loose. It was gonna come off. This one fits perfect. I love it. I'm so happy with my purchase. They had a blue one, like a pretty cobalt blue, and a black. So I'll probably go back. I'll probably call it tomorrow before I go back to work, because I work remotely 2 days and then the rest. So I'll probably call her tomorrow and tell her to hold it for me and go pick it up. Because I feel like you gotta have these and you gotta build them up. So I wanna get like 2 more and then go with some Cartier. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, guys, this is my purchase, the little bangle. It was very, very affordable. It was only $280. Okay? So, when you buy luxury, it lasts. I'm big on that. So, let me put it back all nice and neatly in the box. Then my essay was so nice. She gave me a whole bunch of samples. A whole bunch of samples that I haven't looked at yet because I've been busy. Look, she gave me a whole bunch of samples. She even gave me an extra bag because this one, she said, just in case. So, yeah. Put it back. Okay, on to the next. The next one is a necklace. I wanted this necklace for a while. It's a new style. And this I got in New Jersey, the mall. This is the receipt again. And the essay name. And this one I got in Riverside Square, Riverside, Hackensack, New Jersey, the mall. And this is the receipt. Why the receipt so long? I don't know. But this is the receipt. This one I haven't worn yet. See, it's still well packaged. So I'm gonna open it with you guys. Okay, this is what it looked like, guys. Of course, orange, because Hermes, you gotta go with the orange. So I got the orange with the little, you know, the little, when you buy the Hermes Bergen, it has the pad, the lock. So it has the lock, and then it has the little bag, which is orange. They had it in gold, and they have it in silver. And if I would have known that they would have had the bangle in silver, I would have gotten it silver. But the gold will pop in to me. Gold look nice on our skin. So I got the gold. But it's okay. It doesn't matter. I'm just saying, like, if I would have known, I would have got the bangle in gold. But I'd rather my bangle in silver because silver, I feel like it doesn't get tarnished as fast. You know? I don't know. I just prefer the silver and the bangle. But this gold is popping in the necklace. And this is what it looked like. It's very cute on. I tried it on in the store. And I love it. This was, I believe, $2.95 or $3.95. But like I said, very affordable. Nothing to break the bank, y'all. And she gave me a lot of samples as well. Actually, their perfume smells amazing. So I think I'm gonna go buy some perfume. So anyway, she gave me a lot of samples as well. Yeah. Sorry for saying but that's how I talk sometimes. Okay, let me tell y'all something now about this DIOR. Now, I've been shopping because one, I'm depressed. Still mourning my dad, still missing my dad. And a lot of other things is going on in my life personally that I may come on Instagram, guys. I'm not bragging. I say what I say because I'm a very free-spirited, outspoken chick. I'm not disrespecting no one, especially my YouTuber, my friends. So please, ever, I'm always supporting y'all. I watch your videos, everybody that I mention, you know, my friends that I don't know. Only person I ever met from YouTube was Keiko Beauty, and I love her. She's my little sister. But as far as like, I don't want to be coming on here feeling like I'm bragging. So let's just, cause you know I can talk. So I bought DIOR, this DIOR wallet. Okay, they had two. They had a wallet on a chain with the chain, and they had the wallet. Same thing. One was $3.95, and the other one was $5.90. But you're only paying for the strap. So you know what I did? I said, let me go order a gold strap. Why would I not? Why would I buy the same thing? Same thing. It's a saddle small canvas. Same thing when I could just buy me a strap. So of course I went and I bought me a gold strap, and look how cute. Now, this is what I'm saying. Sometimes you got to know how to, like, I see Happy Stylish Mama do it. Happy Stylish Mommy do it. Keiko Beauty does it. A lot of y'all that I follow, y'all make your own style sometime, and I love it. With your Louis bag or whatever bags. And I did that. I was like, why would I spend extra $200 for the same chain? No. So, yeah. So I just wanted to show you guys this guy. I just wanted to show you guys this because I feel like if you plan on buying this little wallet on a chain, just buy a chain. A stick chain. This chain was like, I didn't buy it on eBay because I felt like it would have been looking cheap. So I bought it from this, I could link it below if you want it. It was $24.99 because it's real thick. So I bought this chain thick because I wanted something thick to go with the bag. With the little, you know, to make it look just like the bag. So yeah, guys, this is it again. Show you. And you know, you going out, you don't want to carry a lot of stuff. You just put your, show you. I'll take it with the chain. So you could keep all your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards, and then it has a little compartment that you could put like maybe a few dollars in it, and it has a little D for DIOR, and close it. This is the same one. If you go on DIOR site, you'll see the one I'm talking about with the strap. Versus, and you see this one, and this is the one I got. It was like I said, maybe $400 and some with tax. I put the receipt in my bag, the DIOR bag, because I purchased this 2 weeks ago. So I wore it like twice already. Yeah. So yeah, this is it. I think I paid with tax everything, maybe $450 everything, because it was like $395, $450, and the other one would have been, I think $590 or $690, just because you're paying for, you know, the strap. You only pay for a strap, so you buy your own. Okay, so guys, I am done. I am done. I just want to show you something as far as saving money if you feel like doing that. That's all I'm saying. If you don't feel like doing that, then you can spend $690 and it's the same thing. That's all I'm saying. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. I love y'all. Please comment, subscribe, follow me Instagram. And I love y'all. Like I said, happy Sunday. Bye, guys.